Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Dee-Ann Louise and I am here to do a review of the company MyDermaDream. Please note that it is not a review of the product itself. It is a review of the company and their customer service. Did I appreciate what they did for me, or was it a no-go? Let's take a look at what happened. All right, so as one does when one is looking for something new to try out, you scroll through Instagram and Facebook and come across all the countless advertisements for all the new next fandangled product that is out there to help us look even more beautiful. And I came across the MyDermaDream Micro Sculpt and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to tighten, I need to tone around my face and just kind of help give it that little extra something, right? So I purchased it and then I ran into a little snag. Well, I contacted the company and let them know what had happened for me, and oh my goodness, they bent over backwards to help me and to make things right. I am beyond impressed by what they did, what they said, how they helped me out, and I think they actually even went above and beyond for what ended up happening. I will be keeping this beautiful product in my care. And if you are interested in purchasing it, what I would suggest you do is go and watch a video by a lady by the name of Cassandra Bankson. I will link it up here for you somewhere, as well as place the link for you in my description box so that you can go there and make an informed decision for yourself as to whether you wish to purchase this. But I am here to tell you that MyDermaDream, they are an incredible company and they stand behind their product. They stand behind the person that created the company, stands behind their employees and takes care of them. Their message gets through, and they stand behind that message as well. So this company has done nothing but impress me. I am beyond happy, and they've got a number of other different products within their website. So it is MyDermaDream.com. Go ahead, check them out, scroll through all of their products. They've got a bunch of serums and creams and that kind of thing as well to help you out. But yes, this is my review. I am beyond happy with MyDermaDream. And if you are planning on purchasing something like this, then go to their website and see if they have what you are looking for. All right. Thank you so much for being with me today. And I hope that you are able to stay beautiful.